How to make a group on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make a group on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, you just simply open Snapchat and then go to the chat section right here. So go to that chat section and click on this compose button found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are here, simply click on new group right here, and then you may name the new group. For example, I'll just type in group chat. And then you should choose your participants. So let's just go back first, type in the name, and then choose your participant. So you may choose up to 100 participants of this group. So I'll just choose these two, and then click on chat with group found on the lowermost part of the screen. Then click on OK. So as you can see, I might have a problem, but if you don't have this problem, you just simply proceed with what you're doing. So click on chat with group, and then you may be able to see this group chat right here. So once you have seen that group chat, you just simply open it, and then you may start conversing with those participants right there. So as what you can see right there, you may only add a person or a participant if you are already friends on Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you can make a group on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.